Hello guys, welcome back from uniquehypes.com. Today I am going to show you how to install Goldcoders Hyip Script. It's a null version, not license. Here we go. First, three things you need to start. First of all, cpanel or hosting. Second one, domain. Third one is script file. Then you have to log in your cpanel, go to file manager, public HTML and upload your script file. This is the zip script file. We are going to upload it. Here is 100%. We are waiting. Yes, 100%. Click on go back and extract it. Then go to your domain and type /install.php. Here you need to MySQL database name, MySQL username, password. You need to create a database name, MySQL username and MySQL password. You have to remember that this script support only PHP version 5.6. So you have to update your PHP version. Now I am going to update it. Here is the option software. Under software menu, select PHP version. Here is the current PHP version. I already set it. If you don't set it, click here and select it, then click on current. Then click on the home. We need to create database, MySQL database. Then create from here. I'm going to unique, create, then go back, then here unique, then create a password. Create user, then add to your add user to your database. Add here, then click on all privileges, then make changes. Now click user, put here, then username, then your we put unique 2021 star. Now click admin at unique, put any password. Click install. It's saying wrong MySQL database. Probably I entered the wrong database password. Yes, this is, and click on install. That's it. Here is your admin details. Click on this, and after that delete install.php file. Now click reload. Yes, that's finished. You can log in your admin panel by this information. Thank you.